Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I introduce flashcards alphabets what I discussed in last class that I make for my daughter for read phonics sounds. I made this myself to teach my daughter. Now, how to pronounce 26 letter correctly? B, A, E, U like this. But this is incorrect because you are adding R sounds at the each and every letters. Instead of that you can say B, K, D, S, this kinds. Okay, so here in this video I'm going to give you demo class how you can teach 26 letter correct sound easily. So without wasting our time, let's start video. A, 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 B, 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 K, 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 D, 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 A, A, G, 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 H, 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 I, 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 J, 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 K, 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 L, 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 M, 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 N, N, O, O, P, 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 Q, 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 R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 A, 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 W, 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 X, 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 Y, 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 Z, Z, Z,